So in this video, we're going to show you where and how to mount the magnet sensor.
These conveyors move, and we need to know how fast they move, and we use a very simple shaft speed sensor for that. The one that we've used for many years now is this type of magnet sensor. Every time a magnet comes by on a shaft, this sensor will give us a little pulse. You can mount this sensor very simply. We provide a little stainless steel bracket. It's not too thick, so if you need to bend it, you can, so that the sensor ends up in the right place. And the nice thing with this sensor is that you don't have to be super precise with the location of it, as long as you're within about a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters from the magnet where it comes by.
So the next step is installing our magnet sensor or our shaft speed sensor, and that's done very easily. We've already pre-drilled a hole here close to where the drive shaft. We're going to take a magnet and put it on the drive shaft, and we would recommend we send along a hose clamp that you can use to clamp around the magnet. Be careful not to over tighten it, because you can just break the magnet in half, and then it won't work because it'll fall out. Some people, if it's a slow enough moving shaft, they'll just put a bit of epoxy glue under it. However you want to affix the magnet to the drive shaft, if it's epoxy or hose clamp, whichever you want works. So we're going to just mount our bracket on here and the shaft speed sensor on the bracket, just so it's about a 1/4 inch away from the magnet as it rolls around, and that's it.